How to disable Chrome notifications. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can disable or delete your notifications on Google Chrome. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to disable Google Chrome notifications, whether you're using Google Chrome on your mobile phone or on your PC. So once we launch Google Chrome, this is typically the interface that you'll see. Tap on the three dots icon next to your Google Chrome browser. Even on PC, anything, you can repeat the same steps and go to the option called Settings. Now from Settings, you can find various options and you can see the option called Notifications and you can select it and you can turn off Allow Notifications. If you have enabled notifications for Chrome, even on your desktop or laptop browser, you can repeat the same steps and turn off Allow Notifications. So hopefully that video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.